All right, drivers. Who's that? Who's kind of unsure in the back of their spot? Um, 6 spot is Dan. 7 spot is Steve. 8 spots Russell. 9 spot Tim. 10 spot Rocky. That's not exactly how the grid works. We go single file. So 8 Tim, or no, 8 Russell, 9 Tim. So whichever one is Tim, you got to back up a little bit. There we go. Okay, driver's ready, marshal's ready. This is your 6-minute intermediate E-Buggy, E-Main. Top 2 moving on. We're going racing on the sound of the tone in less than 5. And away we go here. 10 cars for 2 bump spots. I got one stuck in the wall on the right side. He's stuck in the wall. Someone give him a hand. Caution in the back straight, nobody coming, all clear. Okay, so Hippenstell leading the way here early on in this one. Habuda into the 2 now. Derick Yost up to the 3. Then it's Stratton, McCauley, Hercules. Seems like about your top 6 really still in play in this one. Rocky coming in the 7 spot for now. Then Dan, Steve, and Tim. Caution after the step off. Got Steve upside down. A couple of leaders working their way by. Tim still leading. And Derick up to the 2. Tim in that Cavallari-inspired TLR there. And Yost in the yellow, blue, and white Techno. 3rd place, Dewey in the white and purple Techno. And then Russell in the white and blue AE car. We are 3:30 down, 2:30 to go. 1.5 left to go. Tim still leading, but now Dewey going to go to the 2 spot. Derick having not the greatest lap, but really Dewey's just starting to get in a rhythm. Just laid down the hot lap. So Dewey is flying right now, working his way up into the 2 spot. Dewey in that white and purple techno going through the back doubles. Tim is the car ahead of him. Those are your 2 bump spots right now. 35 seconds left to go, so they're going to get to the line for one more. Coming up next, 40 plus E-Buggy D main. 40 plus E-Buggy D main. Oh, your second bump spot, Dewey stuck on the pipe. It's going to let Derick close in a little bit. Now that gap's going to be down to 4 seconds. So Dewey with a 4-second cushion over third place Derick. Russell was right behind Derick, but he'll have a little roll over there. And that is time, drivers. You're going to be racing to the line now. You're going to be racing to the line. Tim coming around the S-turns right now, looking to take the win here in the E-main. And he'll do so. So Hippenstell taking the first bump. Dewey's just got a couple of corners to navigate here. And McCauley going to take that second bump. Now we've just got drivers finishing up, racing to the line here. Derick spent some time in a bump spot that race, going to have to settle for third in the end. Russell 4. Habuda coming around for 5 right now. He's just got to keep ahead of Hercules. And one car still alive, one car still live.
All drivers are finished.
Everybody
the race is
done.
completed.
So Hippenstell and McCauley going to move on to race number 10. Hippenstell and McCauley to race number 10. And just missing out on that one was Yost. Then Stratton, Habuda, Hercules, Roxbury, Myers, O'Brien, and Pence.
If anybody wants